Hi, hi everyone. Sorry. Sorry for the last video. Quick time just stopped suddenly, and I tried to do another one. It stopped again this time. What I was saying is that um, company, the way it is, how to say, the way it is represented on in the app is not related to a user. Meaning it's the way around. A user is not related to a company. As you can see here, there is no relationship here. And so I was about to try first to sort of allow the user to only enter the company is in, and not the request is trying to put an offer on. So I think from that, I yeah, I think from that point, I should. I think there is a method, a merge, like I said, but I don't know if it's actually written that way or if it's that way that oh, is actually. Oh, I wrote it here actually. You see, I tried to modify something else. But it was this one. So basically, I wrote it here on the last video that it stopped, that has stopped, and so I wanted to try it. So let's see what's going to happen. Let's refresh. Hopefully, it will be fast this time. Should be. Hopefully, yeah. So this is a new offer. Very good offer. The price is for, I don't know, like this. The company might, oh, I have to put an ID on the company. I don't even know what are the company that I set up. I think offer blah blah blah, company 0, company 1. Let's put 1. At that point I'm not sure I care, but and here I don't have to put the request. I shouldn't. So let's see if it's going to work or not. Alright, so undefined to H for 30, zoom into I2. Not really. It's probably not this way I should use it. Um, hmm. Maybe I shouldn't. It's weird, but let's try that. I'm not sure at all, but let's try. Create. Enable to convert unpermitted to hash. Request ID is empty. It was that way, right? So to hash, what do you mean? Let's try it again. So let's see, request ID is empty. Yeah, anyway, I shouldn't really have to type that. So let's see something here. Not sure if this is a problem here, I don't think so, but doesn't change anything anyway. Alright, so let's try that, but I'm not sure this is going to correct that. Oh, shouldn't have done that. That's fine. Put one, create. Alright, so how to do a merge on that? I don't really remember. I mean, I obviously did it before, but I don't remember what it is. So I'm going to look at some of my projects as always. Very problem. And I think we have some projects right, probably not there. Maybe there or there. Look at that. You go to controllers. Let's see, command place probably, because you have to merge. Maybe create. Blah blah blah. There's no. Alright. Looks like I don't do it here. Comment, maybe? Oh, as a user. This is that actually. Something like that. So, and okay, so I don't have to. Alright. So let's see. So actually, I don't even have to have those things here. But let's see. I think I changed some stuff here. I don't know. Looks like it's bigger. Alright, so I should put request ID in here. How was it? No. User blah 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 blah. Alright. Request ID. Do that. Should be. Maybe fine this time. Let's see. Come on. Oh, my computer is so slow, man. Oh, maybe it was me actually that time. No, I don't want to submit it again. I mean, yes, but not that way. Alright. Looks like it's fine here. And if I do the same without that, for, I don't know, 888, create, fine. If I go to offer was created. Yeah, I should go there. My request. Oh, I should go here. And here, if I look at the offers, I will see that it's actually created both. So this is what I don't really like that, but it's quite long. It's quite like maybe I should params request ID. Maybe I should do something like def set request actually, and I should do maybe request requests, and you do because this is just yeah. I mean yeah. Should I? Because after that I will have to do the same thing for the user maybe. Surely. Fine. Request. Fine. Because I have the request ID, right? Yeah, request ID. This. And I don't need that. And here I just do should I actually because here I'm doing that, right? And where on the create stuff, on the, for example, destroy, offer, destroy. If I do, for example, request, come on. It's not a request, but it's a request, and if I do pretty much same thing here, but only for the create, get out of my way. If I do that, and here I do a request, which will get called here, and yeah, let's try that out to see what's going to happen. So let's say that I want to make a new offer, which will be awesome because it's $7. It's on that company. Does it work? Ooh. Request must exist. meaning okay, select one request. Looks like it made a request actually. Should I actually put the ID like that? Like price. Oh, okay. I thought it would have. Well, that's fine too. It's a little bit shorter than having that. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what is better actually. I have that here. It's obviously shorter, but let's keep it that way. Because the next one I will have to add user, which belong to a company, which means that when a company will register, I will have to sort of have an admin on that company. I mean, on the user of that company, which will probably approve the user within that company. Something, I mean, yeah, I don't know if it's the right idea to do that. It looks, in my opinion, it's a bit better than having that here. Especially if you're going to do, maybe I should just get the params request ID and passing in. Maybe I could have done that. Maybe. I'm just having a request ID here like that. I'm passing in. I'll do the same for the user at one point. Blah blah blah. I don't know. Let's keep it that way so far. Because here I have to make a request. I have to make that. This is going to do a request here. I mean, not a request. I mean, a SQL request, which is fine. But here, by doing only that, I'm just doing. I don't know what I'm thinking about. What is faster, because here, by doing that, you can see that I'm doing a request to the database to get the request, actually a SQL request to get the object request or basically the ticket. And by doing, like, if I do only that, is it? If I do that, I'm using the request ID from the params, not having to do a request. So if the params is actually showing up here, if it's going to this page, not this page, but let's say, is it? Maybe let's say this page. If it's going, because if I go, for example, to, I don't know, to this request ID with, oh, it's still working. Okay. I thought it was about to make an error because there is no, well, it's weird. Because you should check whether there is a request with that ID to me. But it looks like it doesn't check it. It's weird, and I'm sure there is no it's a bit weird, I have to admit. Come on. There's 12 of them. So how can you go to that? It's actually very weird. And let's say if I do a 9991, 999, and in the fake company is actually, oh, this is where he's doing it. Yeah, that's my previous code. You couldn't find it, and that's for sure. So if I go back, and if I do, where is the code? Oh, because this is code, that's why. So if I do it now, what's that? Respond, blah blah blah. What do you mean? Did I actually? What? Syntax error, line 30. Which? What is? Okay, I guess this is right. I think this is it. So if I do it, request must exist. That's right. So it's actually checking, allows you to go to that page while the request doesn't even exist. It's weird. Shouldn't be able to go to that page, but that is another topic. You know, let's keep it in the comment and say something to explore. All right. So, what? Let's save it that way. Um, without not making an offer. Without having to enter which request he wants to make an offer on. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's English enough, so I'm going to commit it. And like I said, the next, I don't know, it looks like this stuff is actually bigger. I don't know if it's me or if it's like, yeah, it was that way, I think. So, yeah, so now, I mean, it's not really beautiful for sure, but the next step will be to um, remove that field so that you only enter the description and the price and maybe other things that I have in my drawings, but I don't remember now. And in order to do that, I will have to make a relationship between a company and a user, meaning a user will belong to a company and a company will have many users. And at one point, I guess I will have to, that's probably later, but I will have to, um, like the first user, which will, the first user of the company, which will set up the company, will be the admin, I think. And after that, the user after that one, after the first one, will be like checked by the first user, which is the admin. So the admin will basically say, yes, this guy or this address, this email address is within my company, so I can have it into my company in the application, I mean in the app. Oh, no, this guy is not in my this guy or this girl, I don't know, is not on my company, so reject it. So that's all for tonight, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. And sorry for the bug with QuickTime. Have a good night. See you. Bye.